How to contact OneXpert Support Center. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXpert app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to contact the customer care of the OneXpert app, you need to go to your settings. Here you can see the menu option in the bottom right. Tap on it. Now over here you can see this other option. Tap on it. Now you need to scroll to the bottom and select this customer support option. In this customer support page, you will have different options in order to contact the OneXpert Support Center. You have the option to chat, you can get a call back, you can switch to an online call, you can contact them via emails, or you can simply give a query. So you can select your preferred method. If you want to chat, you can tap on this chat option. Now over here, you can tap on this message box. You can explain your issues or the reason why you want to contact them, and you can send this message. Their customer service agent will come up with a reply. So that's it. That's how you can easily contact OneXpert customer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.